Okay, in this step what we are going to do is we are going to look at all the users in the system and roles in the system and make sure they follow proper naming conventions. Okay, they follow proper naming conventions. So let's say, for example, your company policy is having employee ID or first name dot last name. Then you need to make sure when you review the users, you have only those kind of users. You don't have any like a test 101, test 102, those kind of users. So we are going to go to SUIM again. Okay, so we're going to go to user by complex selection criteria again. So here we just leave everything open, right? Leave everything open, execute. So this will give you the entire user list of in the system. Okay, entire user list of the system in the system. So now you can see some of the users have some naming conventions, some don't have. So if you see anything like that, just you need to ask the management why some users are not named properly or why you have so many test IDs. Okay, so what you need to do is download this list to a spreadsheet and then ask management for explanation why some IDs are test IDs. Okay,